If you have a house in Grove City, Ohio, and you're looking to sell it, but you don't want to deal with all the hoops that people jump through when they're going through the traditional process of listing and selling with a real estate agent, nothing against real estate agents, but there's a lot more hoops to jump through, and working with some buyer that's going to be using a mortgage to buy your house in Grove City, and then there's an appraisal, and then there's, anything, whatever. There's all these inspections and all these walkthroughs and open houses. You've got to be kidding me. There's got to be an easier way, right? There most definitely is. My name is Dave Payerchin. For over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses all over Grove City. All over. Got one right off of Stringtown Road right now. I mean, we are local. I'm not a call center. I'm not a marketing company. In fact, when people call me, I hear it every day. Are you the guy from the videos? Yes, I am. I'm going to be the one talking to you. I'm going to treat you like a neighbor. And we buy houses in any situation, truly, and I've seen it all. Please. I mean, people getting divorced, people miss some payments, nothing to be embarrassed about. Bad things happen to good people. Any bump in the road that you may be dealing with or any inconvenience, believe me, I have seen it already, and I will be the one to help you over it. Let's get it done. Maybe you just want to cash out of the house and you're going to take the money, move on to greener pastures, right? You're going to move on to a new business opportunity, some kind of fresh start. The whole thing is you just want to work with somebody who's going to treat you fair, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So if you have a house in Grove City, you want to sell it in its as-is condition. What as-is means is you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, you don't need to haul anything away, you don't need to, hire a handyman or go to the Home Depot, be a weekend warrior, you don't need to paint, you don't need to do anything. I don't blame you at all for not wanting to do that. I wouldn't do it either. Selling as is the smartest thing you can do. And when you weigh out the pros and cons and the costs of fixing it up yourself and all the time and energy and frustration, stress, right? I mean, just putting together, I got little ones at home, and just putting together these dang toys, a little dollhouse, is stressful to me. I can't imagine I'm going to fix the house up myself. Sell it as is. That's the way to do it. When you weigh out the pros and cons of fixing it up and all the money and the costs versus selling it as is, you will see that you're going to net the same amount or more by just selling it as is. I know we all have good intentions, and maybe I'm going to fix this up one day. The best thing you can do is just sell it as is. You don't want to be a weekend warrior and all the time and energy putting into fixing up a house. You don't have to. So we will buy the house in its as-is condition. We're a direct buyer, so there's no fees, commissions, costs, or anything like that. There's no formal inspections or appraisals. We can close on the date of your choice. We just need to know when you want to close, and we can make it happen for you. If you got a house in Grove City, you want to sell it like that, easy, convenient, and you want to work with a reputable company with hundreds of references, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Again, we're local, no call center, no gimmicks and tactics, and no games, right? We're going to tell you what we could do for you up front, but we're also going to tell you what we can't do for you. And if we're not a good fit for you, we will establish that. We will shake hands and part as friends. No pressure whatsoever. So if you're ready to sell the house in Grove City, we're going to treat you fair. Contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Payerchin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.